Hey everybody, quick overview of my Father's Day present, the Wubin X5. Interesting take on a flashlight. Got the tail switches, large clip, lockout battery button. Got the flashlight mode, you can lock it out. You've got a UV mode, which is scary. So let's go back to the flashlight. Now with a flashlight, you actually have a laser pointer. Okay. Then tail switch, half press for whatever you left it on last, full press, moonlight, and then it just circles up till about, I think, 1300. There's my Christmas tree still. And there's the laser. Just in case you have a deer in mind. Alright, y'all. Wubin X5. I'd say it's worth it. It's retailing right now at about $79. Talk to you later.